Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to show you a full day of meals focused on muscle gain without adding unnecessary fat. If you're serious about building a strong body for emergencies or disaster preparedness, proper nutrition is key. By continuing to manage my diet in this manner, I have been able to lose about 10% body fat. I am now back up to about 16% as I am intentionally bulking up. Understanding and properly controlling the nutritional content of your diet is a necessary skill for a healthy body. I start my day early with breakfast. For about a month now, I've been eating similar ingredients every day to stay consistent. My breakfast includes rice, avocado, tuna, and eggs. Timing and content are both important. I personally love avocado and healthy fats. Eating fats in the morning helps me feel more energized and improves my overall condition. After breakfast, I take a short break before heading out for training. I prefer to wait about an hour after my workout before drinking protein, because taking it right away tends to upset my stomach. For lunch, I mainly eat chicken breast and natto. I sometimes adjust the meal with protein powder if needed. Natto makes chicken breast much easier to eat, and I recommend this combination to anyone who's new to eating chicken breast regularly. Later in the day, I have another protein intake. Managing your diet properly and staying consistent are essential for gaining muscle. In the final meal, I include eggs, chicken breast, rice, and a bit of ketchup. Yes, I eat raw eggs even though absorption might be lower because it reduces stress and keeps things simple. To sum up the day, balance between protein, fat, and vitamins is crucial. If you stick to a controlled diet like this over time, you'll see real results. Your body will thank you, especially when you need it most. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the link below if you're interested in the supplements I use. Thank you.